Oh my god, hi guys. I am so sorry I haven't been posting. It was just school's so busy. I have to do my homework. It's just really hard. So I'm sorry, but I'm going to be showing you I'm going to be doing a fidget update because I got some new fidgets. And hopefully you like them. So first I'm going to be just showing you my new fidgets. I got this pug Orbeez stress ball. Really cute. I have this blue slime. And it's really nice. And it cracks when you play with it. And I've been doing a lot of likey and TikTok videos, so it's been, yeah. Because all the ladies say, ooh, you're the man. I got the power. And I have this pizza squishy. It's really cute. And where are you? And I have this new heart puppet. And this hexagon puppet.
No, touch this one.
And it's really nice. Here's the good side, I guess. Here's the good side on this. And I also have this puppet bracelet. And I think that's it of my new fidgets. And then this is just a hard shell puppet, I guess. And yeah.
Add music to this.
And this Tom and Jerry puppet.
What? Yeah, fine. Does she need one? Yeah.
And then this side, it just there's a pop home, but it's okay. And then I have this hexagon puppet and stuff.
Wait, you can't do that. Arms in the way, it's blocking it. Do it again.
Have this DNA ball. And I have this mermaid puppet. And my sister is coming. Well, she's over there somewhere sitting on the couch.
So,
I'm recording a video. So this is just one of my other Orbeez stress balls. And I also have this ice cream puppet. It's really nice, I'd say.
Okay, gotcha.
And I have this ice cream squishy.
Is that down?
This crab puppet. This unicorn puppet.
Christmas music. Okay, so.
And I have this ABC/animal and number puppet. Pink thing. Looks like a flower to me. And I have this flower bluish thing. I don't know what it is. I don't know. And I have this snapper. And I have this really good, like orange, like red, reddish orange, white and yellow colored poppet. And I have this pop tube. And I have this orange caterpillar. And I have this really cute like candy corn thing and stuff, like squishy. And I have this like homemade sign that I made. And I have like this yellow gold thing, slime. And I have this turtle squishy. Where's my other pop tube? And I also have this green pop tube. And I have this like Christmas tree dimple. And I have where's my other pop tube? Well, I don't know where that is. But yeah. And this is my favorite one because it's new and it's really cute and stuff. And I'm going to show you guys my new makeup that I got. It's pretty good. So I'm going to show you that. So, and I have this peppermint mocha eyeshadow. So first we have this peppermint cream, this Christmas blend, this peppermint mocha, this candy cane pink, this sprinkles coffee chip, and Santa baby. And my friend did my makeup with this and another palette that I have. And let's just say it looked like I had a black eye, so yeah. She used this coffee chip and peppermint mocha and sprinkles. And this for blush. With the blush looked really good. But it looked like I had a black eye, so yeah. And then I also have this gingerbread cookie, some ginger cream, maple syrup, ginger snap, wintergreen, cup of joe, black coffee, and gingerbread. And she used this cup of joe and this gingerbread, and yeah. But it still looked kind of good. And yeah. And yeah. So I don't think I have anything else that's new. I don't think. So yeah. And yeah. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you have a fantastic day. And don't let anyone tell you otherwise. Bye, guys. See you in my next video.